Hi, Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com. We're going to take a look at a few daily Forex pairs here, and we're looking at the EUR USD, the Euro Dollar pair, and this is the 14-day directional movement indicator, and it's got a very bullish picture for the directional movement with the ADX, the red line, rising, and again, like you can just see the charts in a nice uptrend. Now the 50-day moving average is in an uptrend, and again, when the 50-day moving average is in an uptrend, that just normally leads to higher prices. So we're bullish the EUR USD, and we're going to stay bullish unless something happens on the chart, which it doesn't look like it's gonna. So now we'll look at so we'd only be trading this market from the long side, this pair. Now we'll look at the GBP USD, which is the pound US dollar. And we're just going to look at the daily charts right now. I'll do like weekly charts tomorrow maybe. Of course this thing's going to take its time coming up. Come on, baby. Here we go. Okay. Okay, now the GBP USD, the pound dollar, it made a bottom here. And I think this was the first swing, the first bull swing. And then it came down and made a higher test of the low. I think this low is going to hold, and I'm hoping it holds because in the premium newsletter we're long this pair. We got long like right here, and to be honest with you, I didn't expect it would come all the way back down like this, but we do put our stop right below the last pivot low, and that's where we do put it. The reason we do put it there is because that's where we would know we were wrong. Up until right here, we're still right on the trade, because as long as we went long and it hasn't taken out the last pivot low, as far as I'm concerned, we're still good in the trade, because the markets will do this, sometimes come down and make a higher low like this. And so basically we're hoping in the premium newsletter that this bar is the start of the uptrend, and I'm still bullish the GBP USD. The 50-day moving average is kind of sideways, but it is slightly trending higher, which is bullish. And again, I think this is just, all this action here is just a sideways correction off this last bull swing. So bull swing, correction, and it's ready for another bull swing higher. Now we'll look at the AUD USD. And same indicators, directional movement, 14-day directional movement, that's the one I used. That's the classic that was in Wells Wilder's book. He used the 14-day. Again, you know, people will use different settings on it. Some people, you know, 7 is a good setting to see shorter term trends and things, but I use the 14, the classic. And again, the 14-day directional movement shows a bullish picture for the AUD USD, Australian dollar USD, and the ADX is starting to trend higher, which is bullish. The plus directional movement is above the minus directional movement. So basically the directional movement is telling us that this pair is in an uptrend, so we only want to be trading it from the long side. And now here's the 50-day moving average at a sharp up angle. And just the fact that the 50-day moving average is trending higher is good and bullish, but the fact that it's at kind of a steep angle, that is another sign that this market's in a strong uptrend. And again, as long as the 50-day moving average is trending higher, the odds are with the upside. So we're going to be only looking to trade in my premium Forex newsletter. We're going to only look to be trading the AUD USD from the long side. And so thank you very much for listening to my video. I really greatly appreciate it. And thank you. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.